This is going to be the elevator at the Civic Center ramp. We are going to be doing a tour of these elevators. This one right here is the west elevator, and then the other side right under the garage is the east elevator. We're gonna start with the west elevator first, but we're gonna take a ride in this beauty. There's the library. Unfortunately, it's right now closed at the moment. As you can see, we got a red light here, which means it's closed. Anyway, all right, now we'll go ride this elevator right here. Yeah, it's sitting here waiting on me. Let's go down to B. Ooh, just leveled up for a minute. Love the Innovation Bruiser. This is a Dover elevator with an Innovation Bruiser. Small difference with these elevators, by the way. Here we're at basement. This is a high hydraulic, by the way.
Floor B.
Let's go up to 6.
Going up.
And we'll listen to the hydraulic motor. Here we go. You can barely hear it. This is a really slow elevator, I'm afraid. Here at 6. Now I'll go back down to basement.
6. Going down.
Let's get a cat view. Very nice elevator. We got a, there's our friend, Mr. Security Camera. Pretty cool elevator with 7 stories. It's a really slow one. All right, you're at basement. Now we'll go up to 6 and get a view.
Floor B. Going up.
By the way, here's the alarm bell. We're getting a close view of the 6 button. It is a nice Innovation Bruiser. This elevator is absolutely freaking slow. And here at top floor. And button already went out.
Floor 6.
All right, we're gonna get a view up here. And then we're gonna take a ride in the other elevator, which is the east elevator. Pretty nice view up here. Don't want there's a guy out there, by the way, but don't want to get involved in him. Yeah, here's a nice view of the top floor of the garage. Very nice view. By the way, way down there is a Circle K, which was originally a Holiday gas station. Very nice view for a parking deck. But it's kind of after sunset, so I just know it's after sunset. Down here is the Kaler Grand Hotel. And there is the Gonda building. wish I could fill the Gonda building, but I don't really want to go in there for a while. Just to be honest with you guys. And down here, there is another elevator, and that's the east elevator. By the way, there is the Civic Center. The Mayo Civic Center. In the garage, I know it's the Mayo Civic Center. So yeah, there's the Silver Lake Road. Silver Lake Drive crossing down there. All right. Pretty much how much I'm in the traffic lights, but I've always added some on my trains game before in my past. Yeah. Anyways, now we'll go ride this beauty. And this is another hydraulic elevator. And I forgot to mention something about this elevator, and I'll tell you about it in a minute after we take a couple rides on this thing. Here it comes. And here it is. This is you said that twice, elevator. All right, now I'll go down a basement. And this is a small difference to the other elevator because for some reason the down and arrow indicator is flat lighting up. I wonder if it'll do it to the up. This is another slow elevator with 7 stories. All right, here we are at basement. And the down arrow indicator went out. And so the button.
Floor B.
Now I'll go back up to 6.
Going up.
And however, this is a really nice elevator. Looks like the up arrow indicator does work when you when you're kind of going up the elevator. The other one was elevator number 1. This one's elevator number 2. Another door with Innovation Bruiser. And here at the top, we're gonna be ending it at 2 where the skyway is.
Going down. Going down.
Shut up. Why do you keep saying it twice? Here's the alarm bell again. Oh, that was a loud one. That one really startled the crap out of me. Creaky elevator. And here we're at 2, which is the skyway.
Floor 2.
All right, here we are. And come on, close. There it goes. That's it.